Hello and welcome to the channel. In tonight's episode, or this evening's episode, because it's not nighttime yet, we still have a few more hours of sunlight. Even though it's going down over there, you all have seen me in this outfit already today because I was on my way in the house and I said, let me take care of this last little project because it won't take me long. So if you want to see what I'm getting ready to do, stay tuned. And the wind has been so rude, it has battered up my elderberry. Unbelievable. Just rude. Let's get into it. My sister gave me these potatoes several weeks ago, and I have not gotten around to putting them in the soil. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to do an experiment, and we're going to see if I get any potatoes. Now, what I mean by experiment is this. I saw this somewhere. I don't know where, but I know I saw it somewhere. They use chicken wire tied together to make a big round circle, and I think they put it in a trash bag. She might not have put it in the trash bag. I think what she did was just let it sit on the ground on top of weed barrier, but I have wood chip everywhere. So I'm going to use the trash bag as a water collector, and because there's a little bit of water in there because it did rain. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bag of hay that my sister gave me, and I'm going to layer it hay, soil, potato, hay, soil, potato. And we're going to see if we can get some potatoes. So let's hope you can see what I'm doing over here. I've already mixed up my soil. This is my soil that I bought from the landscape place, some perlite, my fertilizer mixture, my granulated fertilizer, which is Osmocote, azomite rock dust, bone meal, blood meal, and I think that's it. I think that's it. That's all. And so this is a bag of hay that my sister gave me. She had some hay that she didn't need anymore. It's either hay or alfalfa. I don't know. It's not supposed to have any weed seeds in it because this was for the guinea pig. And the guinea pig passed away. My niece's guinea pig. She had two. They lived for 7 years, y'all. They were some very healthy, well cared for little pigs. And so they lived a long time, and she had this left over. She didn't want to throw it out. And I said, well, let me see if I can use it in the garden. She was like, all right, girl, go and take it. Because I'm always thinking about, what can I use? What can I recycle? What can I use? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a layer on the bottom. And I hope this is not going to cause me any trouble by having things grow. I know she fed them alfalfa and something else, but we'll see. So I put a nice layer on the bottom. Let me see if you all can see. Can you all see what I'm doing? Y'all can't really see too much of nothing. So let me move you up a little bit. I hope you can see now. You all are facing away from me, so it's hard for me to tell what you can see or not. Let me make sure my microphone is on because sometimes it is not. And I end up having to do a voiceover or it shuts itself off because I haven't charged it well enough. So I'm going to take this soil and I'm going to put that soil in there just like that. Just like that. I'm going to make a nice cushion of soil. And there's also coconut coir in here as well. I almost forgot about that. And I'm going to level it out just like that. And I'm going to get some of these potatoes. Can you all see that? I let them chit. They've been in. My mom gave me the white ones. My sister gave me the red ones. And they look really worse for the wear, y'all. I cut a few because they were big and they look really worse for the wear. So I'm just going to place them in here. Hopefully I can get some potatoes. Because y'all, I don't know. I have no idea. That one's got one new chit growing. The other ones look old and tired. Okay, that's some new chits on that one. All right, so put them in there like that. I hope I'm doing this right. I barely watched that video, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I fell asleep on it. It's been that kind of a couple of weeks. All right, so a little bit of layer of that and some soil. And this is an experiment. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. I got these potatoes for free. They had bought them for eating, but they began to chit. And my family was like, oh, we're not eating those. You come and get them and do something with them because we don't want them. So I got free potatoes. All right, now this one I didn't cut because it was small like an egg. If it's small like an egg, you don't have to worry about cutting it. It's got chits on both sides. So I'm going to lay it on its side like so, like that. And this one, the chits are real small, very small. And I'm going to put it in there anyway. All it can do is not do anything. And so now I'm going to put in the brown. Now this one was pretty big. I could have cut this one more time, but we're not going to worry about it. I'm going to lay it like that. I have 3 more potatoes left. So I am going to take another layer. And I really hope this works because that would be really cool. And we're going to do that. And I hope I'm not making a mess for myself, growing a crop that I have no intentions of growing. All right, put some soil. And I probably am going to go get more soil to top this up with. There we go. And then I have 3 more potatoes left. There we go. That one. And that one. And that one's got chits all over. So I'm going to set him like that, like a little tugboat. Got a little couple of chits in there. We're just going to dump that in there like that. Lick it right down. Now I am going to put another layer of hay on top like that. I think that's what she told me this was. And then I will go get a little bit more soil. And I'm going to top it off like that with some soil. And that's it, y'all. That is it. Yeah, I will get a little bit more soil just to cover that up. And I'm going to go through the garden and I'm going to water everything. I'm going to put this away. Probably end up putting this in the shed because I might end up needing it again to top up some more. So let's say a proper goodbye. Okay, everybody, that is it for me. I need to go in the house. I was just coming out here to plant the apple tree, and as you can see, I get out here and I started looking around and realizing there are some things I could do, even though I really don't need to be doing them right this minute. So I am going to call it a night and go take my shoes off because I came home straight from work, straight from the store, and said I've got to get that tree in, and then I've got to plant these potatoes. Y'all see the tree video in the video before this one. And so now I'm done for tonight. Everything else will have to get done tomorrow except for watering. I am going to take a few minutes and water. And then that's it, I promise. So thank you for joining me in the garden this evening. I really hope you like this experiment that I'm doing down here today. I hope you try it for yourself. I will take you along to show you how this is going to progress. Excuse me, y'all. My my neighbor has been cutting the grass and I'm feeling some kind of way right now. But I will take you all along with me so you all can see how this looks, because I'm excited to see if this is going to work. I've layered it up with straw, hay, whatever it is, and soil. I have the black trash bag, and I'm actually going to kind of tuck this trash bag, like pull it a little bit so that it's a little bit tight around the cage and doesn't come down, because you don't want your potatoes to get exposed to light. I may need to get a clip and put a clip on it. I got a couple of clips right here. See, y'all, I'm like a little squirrel. You gotta get a couple of clips and put some clips on here so this bag doesn't come down. I think I broke this clip because it's been out here for a while, but that's okay. Yeah, it's broke, but that's all right. I will go get another one I've got this one. Let's hope this one doesn't break. That's what happens to these Dollar Tree clips. You have them only for a short period of time because they will deteriorate, break on you, and be no good. And so that's what happened there. I know I've got another one somewhere. That's okay. I won't waste y'all's time. Again, thank you for joining me in the garden. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I hope you learned something. I hope you try this for yourself. Like I said, I will take you all along with me as it progresses, and we'll see at the end of the season if we get some what? Some white, some red, and oh, by the way, that one little purple potato plant is right next to it. So we're going to have a menagerie of potatoes, fingers crossed. So hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I hope to see you again soon in the garden. Bye for now.